For Sensuous Delight of Silent Waters by Lioba, we start the special treatment for this size and this canvas with electric diamonds sprinkled in the background, mainly in the upper background of the picture. For version 2, we add labradorite crystals and sprinkle it in the green areas, which is mainly on the lilies and some parts of the water. So simply place them in the areas that you'd like to add more sparkle, as you can see in this video. And it should give it a nice glisten to the green areas. And for version 3, we add electric diamonds and we place it in the white areas on her tail. So this gives it a glisten. You don't have to place it on every single area that you see that's white, which is mostly in the middle of her tail. But if you sprinkle it mostly in those areas, the whitest part, it will give this nice glow and a nice sparkle, just like the scales of a fish.